What's up, Solutionarys? Y'all see this right here? This flyer right here was circulating around an event from people that obviously don't like me. Maj Toure special, you get a 40 ounce and you get an empty threat from the bartender. This operates on a few things, as if I'm walking around threatening people, as well as it falls under the guise that black people in urban America just love 40 ounces. Now, I don't know about y'all, but I, one, don't even drink beer, and two, I definitely don't drink malt liquor or 40 ounces. And the implication here is that black people just are chugging 40 ounces. Maybe y'all know some black people or white people that chug down 40 ounces all the time, but I think that's like an old trope. It's a bigoted trope and it's old and it's kind of outdated. It's like when people say, oh, you a crackhead. Crack is an old drug. They just showcase how much they don't know about a particular scenario. We see this in the liberty and conservative and even Democrat Party a lot. People pretend like they're about America, they're about unification, they're about all these different things, but in reality, they have a lot of biases and bigotry that they hide under the form of patriotism or conservatism, or even in this instance, libertarianism. And these particular people, again, I am of the belief that they're just racist. They don't like people that don't fit the profile that they don't want. If you don't look like them, if you don't think like them, they don't want you to come to their homeland and things like that. And that's just not how America works. They want America to be a melting pot where everybody gets in and just assimilates. We assimilate to the concept of freedom, but freedom means different types of things, thought patterns, people, so forth and so on. Those people want division. We want unity. You recognize that America is a salad. Greens, olives, tomatoes, croutons. Everybody brings their own flavor, their own energy and all that other good stuff. All of that benefits the overall plate, and we all healthy and we all eat. That's how America is actually supposed to be. You recognize that. So when we see goofballs like this doing things like this, we laugh at it, number one. And number two, we turn it into something good for everyone. So what I'm going to turn it into good for you is, and everybody that sees this that agrees with me, it's fine if you agree with them. But if you do agree with me, go over to blackgunsmatter.shop. When you get any shirt that you want, media, most effective devil in America, being a bitch is un-American, make politicians afraid again, doesn't matter. Whatever shirt you get at your total checkout, I want you to use the code UNITY. When you use that code UNITY, you're going to take 20% off of your entire order. We have to monetize goofballs, and I'm going to make sure that every time somebody does goofball shit, you guys are going to benefit. So we identify these people that come from behind cover and concealment, and this is how we keep moving forward as a nation. My name is Maj Toure, the founder of Black Guns Matter and the Solutionary Lifestyle. Hopefully you'll go over to a class at solutionaryuniversity.org on civics, basic firearms, stop the bleed, all of those different things, and I will see you there. Be safe, be solutionary.